I'm a city slicker, but here's the kicker. I'm a dirty dog, wifey has to follow me with a Swiffer. Cream of the crop, hip-hop, you just a can of corn. I humiliate haters like ghetto gaggers porn. If every kiss begins with K every night, but I end with a BJ. Armstrong, broker bull, stay sipping jet fuel. Label a sanctified smut slinger from the sentence spew. I find she is irrelevant if she doesn't swaddle the spooge. I'm two-stepping with a chick that would bring shame to Corinne Steffens. And she begging me to stuff her with my Bob Evans. Me and two farmer sluts, a Jack Daniels gallon, seeing who can make the best sound effects. Wild gagging, yeah. Your bitch is cute, sure. Her ass is fat, but her mama deep throats and makes biscuits from scratch. So you go ahead and pay for them expensive takeouts. I be getting home cooked meals, waiting for her to take her teeth out. Nigga, I'm next. Screws loose. Marbles missing. Trust your intuition. I'm not the one for this. Screws loose. Marbles missing. Put it plain and simple. I don't have it all. Screws loose. Marbles missing. Trust your intuition. I'm not the one for this. Screws loose. Marbles missing. Simply put, I don't have it all. I despise whack rappers. Shots sent your way. When you perform, I stay seated like an anorexic at a buffet. Your favorite villain, Skeletor, McGraw. Still toe flow. You need rewire jaws. The most hated in my city. You think I give a fuck? Hell, to be honest, even my wife hates my guts. I'm Reggie Miller in the clutch. You John Starks, all bong. Lyrics illuminate. I bring light to the dark. I bang bitches in parks. I ain't paying for hotels. You tricking niggas is cheesy. Hashtag rotel. Ignorance at its excellence, I intend to offend. So I wanna hear more about your skills and less of what you spend. Time my heart chop hip hop. Go ahead and act brave. I react like a silverback and pound your chest until it caves. I mean, son of a bitch, the blood brother of the Grinch. I'm Shrek in the flesh, fuck your change, I snatch necks, nigga. Screws loose, marbles missing. Trust your intuition, I'm not the one for this. Screws loose, marbles missing. Put it plain and simple, I don't have it all. Screws loose, marbles missing. Trust your intuition, I'm not the one for this. Screws loose, marbles missing. Simply put, I don't have it all. Cool. Yeah, it's Maddog McGraw, baby. Sam the Grouch on the beat. Grumpy Old Man Part 2 coming in 2020, nigga. COVID or no COVID. Respect my gangster, motherfucker. Boss, bitch. Yeah.